Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of August 20, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Mosquito Day. World Mosquito Day is observed on 20th August every year to commemorate the British doctor Sir Ronald Ross. He discovered in 1897 that female mosquitoes transmit malaria between humans. Going to the current affairs, the first question is, who is the author of the book titled The Dream of Revolution, a biography of Jai Prakash Narayan? And the options are A. Jai Prakash Narayan, B. Bimal Prasad, C. Sujata Prasad, and D. Both B and C. And the correct answer is D. Both B and C. Book titled The Dream of Revolution, a biography of Jai Prakash Narayan, written by Bimal Prasad and Sujata Prasad, will be released on August 23rd, 2021. The new book will be published by the Penguin Random House, India. It is the biography of revolutionary leader and independence activist Jai Prakash Narayan. The second question is, which of the following bank launches Green and Sustainable Deposits program for retail clients? The options are A. Axis Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. HDFC Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. And the correct answer is C. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank launches Green and Sustainable Deposits program for retail clients. The third question is, which of the following ship has participated in exercise Konkan 2021 with Royal Navy of UK? And the options are A. INS Vikrant, B. INS Tabar, C. INS Vikramaditya, and D. INS Talwar. And the correct answer is B. INS Tabar. INS Tabar participates in exercise Konkan 2021 with Royal Navy of UK. The bilateral naval exercise Konkan is being held every year since 2004. HMS Westminster of the Royal Navy took part from Britain's side. And the fourth question is, which of the following state has launched Proof mobile app? The options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Delhi, C. Assam, and D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Proof is nothing but photographic record of on-site facility. And the fifth question is, Which of the following has become second Indian company to cross the market value of 13 lakh crore rupees? And the options are A. Infosys, B. HCL Technologies, C. TCS, and D. Wipro. And the correct answer is C. TCS. TCS has become second Indian company to cross the market value of 13 lakh crore rupees. And the sixth question is, Supreme Court has allowed the women to appear for which of the following exam? And the options are A. CDS, B. NDA, C. SSC GD, and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is B. NDA. Supreme Court has allowed the women to appear for NDA exam. Supreme Court allowed women for NDA exam following a written petition that was filed by Kush Kalra. Applicants to the NDA are selected through a written exam conducted by the UPSC. NDA is the Joint Defence Service Training Institute of Indian Armed Forces. The National Defence Academy was commissioned on December 7, 1954. And the seventh question is, 2021 edition of World Athletics Under 20 Championships to be held in which of the following country? And the options are A. Nairobi, B. Switzerland, C. Germany, and D. Ethiopia. And the correct answer is A. Nairobi. (2021) edition of World Athletics Under 20 Championships to be held in Nairobi. The tournament will continue till 22nd August at the Nyayo Sports Complex. The competition was launched as the IAAF World Junior Championships in Athletics in 1986. And the eighth question is, which of the following has become first state to cross milestone of 6 crore COVID vaccine doses? The options are A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Delhi, and D. Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. And the ninth question is, which of the following become the third state to present a separate farm budget? The options are A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu becomes the third state to present a separate farm budget. And the 10th question is, which of the following country records 572% growth in grant of patents in the last 7 years? The options are A. USA, B. Russia, C. India, and D. China. And the correct answer is C. India. India records 572% growth in grant of patents in the last 7 years. 28,391 patents granted in 2020-2021 as compared to 4,227 grants during 2013 to 2014. And a special note on Niti Aayog, the third series of Student Entrepreneurship Program 3.0 was launched by AIM Niti Aayog in collaboration with Law Foundation Dassault Systems. The theme of September 3.0 is Made in 3D Seed the Future Entrepreneurs Program. 50 teams from 26 states have been selected for the SEP 3.0. And the godfather of Sudoku, Maki Kazi, passed away recently. He was the president of Nikoli Corporation Limited, a Japanese puzzle manufacturer company. He was the creator of popular numbers puzzle Sudoku. He also invented Massive. Sudoku is a logic-based combinatorial number placement puzzle. And the one-liners today are: Arjun Ram Meghwal participates in SCO Culture Ministers Meeting. Shanghai Cooperation Organization Culture Ministers Meeting by Tajikistan. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray releases 10th edition of Sri Gajji Baba, a biography written by his grandfather. And Virat Kohli becomes the fourth most successful captain in Test cricket history. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.